Within 250 words, I'm going to prove this house that AI should not replace teachers.
AI should replace teachers.
Of discussion today is AI should replace teachers.
But AI can't come at your place when
Does AI have eyes to see whether you are suffering from emotional problems?
teachers are the one who has those basic feelings on a person.
Pupils need to talk to human beings, not machines. Human teachers are not always emotionally available because they can be stressed or biased. AI lacks emotional support.
The teachers provide the most correct information because
AI should replace teachers. AI works every time during day and night.
And we decide to go to our computers and electricity goes off and reverse. But if you lack that sleep at night and go to your teacher, he or she is more likely to give you false information. He or she may be even dream talking. Those AI computers you are talking about, they face DMC.
Teachers act as examples.
As you are lying us.
AI reduces critical thinking, and electricity goes off when teachers are not sure of their answers and they go to AI to search for the answers.
It cannot know whether a pupil is sad. Teachers consult that terrible AI and it teaches the teachers who teach you. Teachers get what they teach to us from AI. AI should replace teachers.
like me, I have a talent. I wish if I grow up, I become a teacher. And you are saying that AI should replace teachers. You are spoiling my talent.
Teachers carry out practical lessons. Teachers educate learners. Artificial intelligence gives information to learners.
It's like washing and dumping your clothes in soil.
Because we are created by God and in His image.
Show me the scripture.
You are the people who walk in darkness.
The scripture is Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. Don't ask again.
Teachers encourage learners to cooperate,
forming optimal teams